Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine third person shooter series. So in this episode I'm going to implement this bullet shells going out from the gun mechanism. Here is the demonstration. Now as you just saw, the bullet shells are being exiting from this part, actually this part, this small door. The shells are going out from that place when I keep shooting, and I have implemented those bullet shells as a particle. They also has the collision with the ground as well. The reason to do it, implement it as a particle is because so it will be a low cost solution, and when I shoot they go out from this door in the gun. And this is the particle that I have implemented. This is one bullet shell you can see emitting at once, and this is the sound effect I am using when the bullet shell hit the ground. And you can access the full complete tutorial series, the third person shooter series, in my Patreon page. Link would be in the description below.